we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, let's break things down. So we'll be walking onto the dance floor. You can walk from any sides of your dance floor, but today we're gonna walk from the back. And for the first 4 counts, we're simply gonna walk towards the center of the dance floor. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna get into a shadow position. So leader, you're gonna roll your partner in. With your right hand, draw a circle counterclockwise towards you, and we'll end in this position. So notice, follower, you should be still on the right side of your partner. Leader, you're on the left side. And follower, you should be slightly in front of your partner as well. Okay? Now look at our arms here. Our left hand should be connected. Right hand, follower, you're going to place it kind of next to your hip. And leader, you're going to be staying connected to your partner's hand there. Okay? So we get into dance position, or like the shadow position here. On the next set of 8, we're gonna do the peekaboo. So follower, you're gonna shift your weight to your left foot on 1, 2. So we go 1, 2. And notice, leader, you are shifting your weight to your right foot so that we're kind of looking at each other from the opposite sides. Okay, so that's 1, 2. And then on 3, 4, we're gonna shift back to our original facing. Okay. So let's do this one more time. From here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 5, 6, 7, 8, leader, you're gonna bring your left hand and your partner's left hand high, draw a circle clockwise, and then you're gonna place your partner's hand over your head, and now we are getting into a dance position like this. Okay, let's do this last 8 counts for you one more time. We are in the shadow position. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. And now we're ready for our dance pattern 1.